Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another great video. Today we are looking at the hood of the car because, well, what we're going to do today is do a windshield wiper replacement on my 2014 Toyota Avalon. This will be in reference to replacing, like I said, the wiper blades, which are in the up position to get started. So for today, what we're going to be doing is changing out both the driver side and passenger side windshield wipers, and we're just going to be replacing the whole wiper itself. What we need today is just our basic tool. The tool will be a flat bladed screwdriver. This is just in case it is a little difficult to undo the fasteners at the top on each of the windshield wipers. So what we're looking at up here is what we're gonna try to undo. These are pretty simple and flip up, so if we have to, we can just go press down on this little button that's here, and typically it should come up like so. Yes, so you press this little button that's here and it should come up, but sometimes it's a little stubborn, so not sure why it's not coming up, but that's why we have the screwdriver with us. So that's what we're gonna do. So it's being a little stubborn. Up, there it goes. We popped it up, no problem. And now we can just take the wiper up like so. You can see where the hook is here in the wiper itself. And if this thing would stay up, we just press down on the wiper and turn the wiper, and voila, it comes off. Okay, let's do the other side here. This one looks like it's been melted or heated or something. It's a little out of sorts, so we're just gonna go, okay, we're just gonna take this, pop it up and off, just like so. Nothing too terrible. Let's pop this guy up, push down like that, and we see the wiper comes out just like the other side. This is where it's going to go back into when we put the new wiper on. We just press the wiper in and get it secured, and it'll latch. Okay, so let's see how that goes. So what I got here today was Michelin wiper blades from Costco. They're $9.99 at Costco if you don't get them on their sale or rollbacks that they do. When you do, they're $6.99. This is the Michelin Fit Right design, and it's suitable for all seasons. It does have this material, as you can see here, so it doesn't get as much icing or buildup of snow and whatever else on each of the blades. The passenger side is an 18, and this will work for any 2013 to 2018 applications. This might be also applicable to Toyota Camry models. The driver's side is a 26. So let's unpack the wipers and see how this all goes, guys. So as you see, you can see both the passenger side and the driver's side arm, which is great. So we're gonna take and unpack the wiper blade for this car. You don't need any of the special attachments or anything. So I just take all this stuff out, and please recycle when you're done. We take these little plastic inserts that they stick in here. We go pop, take it out, and then we see here we have the place where we're going to stick our arm. So when we come up here, we see that here's the little arm of the wiper, and we take the wiper blade and we put it inside of the wiper. Okay, hopefully we can all see that, hopefully nice and close. And now all we do is we pull up and it should lock nicely in place, which doing this with one hand sometimes isn't the best, but I'll put the camera down so that way we can see how this is done. All right. And we had a little fumble tumble there, but no big deal. We'll put the camera right back up here and we'll continue on. So we're trying to get the wiper arm in there, and this is being a little difficult because it seems like they changed the design, because it does say new design on it. So we love when new designs come out, and yep, they definitely changed the design, so this is not the easiest to put in anymore. Ah, there it goes. And it snaps into place, if you could hear that. If you could hear it go click into place. And then all we do is go click, put this down, and now the wiper blade is, as you see, secure. Let's take our little plastic coatings off, and let's please recycle these. All right, now let's get the other side done. Again, we don't need any special inserts because these go on no problem. And we're just unpacking all the great stuff that they put in these boxes, because some other cars, they just need the extra fit. So again, this is the 18-inch, which is going on the passenger side. It might be a little windy out here, so it might be a little difficult to hear. Again, we remove these the plastic tab here. We don't need that. Flip this up, and then we're going to make sure we latch in to this part here into the wiper. So we bring it up here. And we make sure that it is secure. And then we put it down. And we put this one down. And there we go. We are all done. Just like that. If you guys have any questions, let me know, YouTube. So, quick, simple, easy replacement for your wiper blades. Doesn't take a lot of time, saves you a lot of money from the mechanic shop. All right, talk to you later. This is an how to do video on changing your wiper blades on a 2013 through 2018 Toyota Avalon. Talk to you later, YouTube. This has been Outdoor Guy 365 with another great video. Bye-bye.